Morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK video. This is my first video of this week. Okay, children. So, children, today I am going to revise you the third chapter. Yes, already you all know, children. From 11th of January, your examination is going to be start. So, for that purpose, I am going to make you a revision video. So, today in this video, you all are going to do the revision. Okay. So today in this revision, you all will do the question answers. Yes, you all have to write the answer in a sentence. So without wasting our time, let's start the work. Like first question. Children, you can see the written is here. Here is written, which is the largest animal in the world? In the place of which, children, you all will write here the blue whale. Yes, this is a picture of blue whale, and blue whale is the largest animal in the world. It is the biggest aquatic animals in the world, and its length is more than 100 feet, and it is a carnivorous animals. It eats small flesh, sorry, it eats small fish and other sea animals. So it is the largest animal in the world, children. Okay, so what you all have to do, only in the place of which you all will write the blue whale, and then same you can just write blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Okay, children. So next, move to the next question. Next one is here. Which is the holy book of Sikh? Yes. Again, children, what you all have to do, in the there is written which you all will write here, which in the place of the Guru Granth Sahib. Yes, the Guru Granth Sahib, and then after same you just write here is the holy book of Sikh. Yes, children. What what you all will say? Which is the holy book of Sikh? Yes, the Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. And children, they go to Gurudwara for worship to pray. Okay. So this is the holy book of what? The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh, and this is a picture of what the holy book of Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus, and what what Bible is the holy book of Christians. Okay, but here is asking only that what holy book of Sikh. So you all have to write here the Guru Granth Sahib, Guru Guru Granth, Granth, Granth Sahib, Sahib, Sahib. Okay, children. So now next one is your third number. Which type of tools do you use to drive in nails? What you all will say, children? Which type of tools you all have to use? Yes, we use hammer. We use hammer to use drive in nails. Spelling of hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Okay, which type of tools we use to drive in nails? You will say hammers. We use hammer to use drive in nails. Also, hammers are used for general carpentry, framing, nails pulling. Hammers are designed according to the intended purpose. Okay, and this is the picture of handsaw, and handsaw is used by the carpenter. Okay, children, it is used to cut the woods. Now next one, where do you go to play? Children, you all know, children, you should never play on the road. Okay, where you should play, children? We should play in the park. That's why question is here, where do you go to play? So in the what you will write, we go to the park to play. We go to the park. Where do you go? Park to play. Why do you go to play? Yes, children. And why? Because park, yes, children love meeting other children. Also, they have to learn the take turns, share and respect other children needs. Yes, they learn many things in the park. Okay, they make friends, they learn to sharing the things. Okay, so park is the place where children can play with friends. Understood, children? So where do you go to play? You all will say we go to the park to play. Understood? Now next, what are the things required to make a flight? Make a kite. Sorry, make a kite. You all know, children. First, air is needed for flying a kite, and here is asking what are the things required to make a kite. You can see the picture also, it has given paper, string, and bamboo doils are, this is the bamboo doils are used to make a kite. Yes, are used to. And kite, it is of many colors, it flies high in the sky with the help of string. Okay, and children love to fly kite. Okay, so children, what here is asking what you all are required things. Tell me the things required to make a kite. You will write paper, 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 string, 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 and bamboo doils are used to make a kite. Paper, string, and bamboo doils. Okay, the bamboo doils are used to make a kite. Now next one is here. Six number, which type of animals depend on humans for their food and shelter? Yes, children. Which type of animals? Domestic animals. Why? Because domestic animals are animals that depends on humans for its shelter and food. Okay, and also children, it is domestic animals are very useful for us. We get many things from animals. Okay, so which type of animals depend on human for their foods and shelter? You all will say domestic animals. domestic, domestic animals. Okay, now which park equipment do we use to swing back and forth? You can this is the picture of swing. Yes, we use swing to swing back and forth. And children, yes, and children enjoyed when they swing on it. Okay, so which type of which park equipment do we use to swing back and forth? You all will say we use swing to swing back and forth. BACK and fourth, FORTH, fourth. Okay, now after that, which part of the plants carries water and minerals from roots to other part of the plant? Yes, children, you all will say steam. This steams carries water, minerals from root to other parts of plant. So which part of the plant? Steam is the part of the plant. Yes, steam carries water, mineral uh, from roots to other part of the plant. The yes, it is the primary function of steam are the support to leaves to conduct water and minerals to the leaves. Okay, children, so this there you will write steam, STEM, steam. Now let's see the next. What does fruit contain? What you will say? Fruit contain seeds. Spelling of seeds as double ED, as seeds. And when a seed germinate, it begins to grow into a little plant called seedling. Okay, so fruit contains seed. Now, where is the India Gate situated? This is the picture of India Gate, and India Gate is situated in New Delhi. It is situated in New Delhi, and what do you know about this, children? It is the largest war memorial of India. Okay, so India Gate is situated in New Delhi, and it is the largest war memorial of India. Now, next, what do zebras eat? What do you know about this, children? Zebras eat leaves, plant, and grass. Zebras eat leaves, plant, and grass. It is herbivorous animals. That's why they eat what? Plant, leaves, and grass. Now, also, yes, children, zebras eat leaves, plant, and grass. Okay, and children, also what it is herbivorous animals, and it has black and white strips on its body. Okay, so and also children, what Giraffe also eats leaves plant. So it is also a herbivorous, and giraffe is also a herbivorous animals. Okay, children. So what you all will and it is the what grass is the favorite fruit of zebra. So question is here, what do zebras eat? What you will write in the place of what? You all will write what? Sorry, leaves and plant and grass. Leaves, plant and grass. Zebras eat leaves, plant and grass. Now move to the next one is here. There, what are used to make tasks easier? Yes, what are used, children? Tools. Tools are used to make our work easier. Yes, it saves our times. And what do you know about this? What tools have their different tools? They have different tools have their different works. So what are used to make tasks easier? You all will write tools are used to make our work easier. So in the place of what, you all will write tools are used to make tasks easier. Okay, so children, what you all have to do, you all will learn the question answers. Okay, and all after learning, you all will write down in your copy question number 11 to 12. So I hope, children, whatever I have explained in this video, uh, you all have understood very nicely. So once again, I would like to say you thank you and have a good day. Bye bye, you all.